Hi, my name is Eunetta Bird. I'm the president of Breast Friends. I'm also a civil servant, a mother and a wife, and I am a breast cancer survivor. I was given the diagnosis of breast cancer in June of 1998. I first detected a lump in my breast in 1997. I went to the doctor, had a mammogram done. The mammogram results came back negative. However, a year later, I discovered a lump under my armpit. Went back to the doctor. He proceeded to do a biopsy, and the results proved that I had cancer of the breast that had spread to the lymph nodes under the armpit. I would say to persons who would have a diagnosis of breast cancer that all is not lost. It is not a death sentence. There is hope. You can survive. You can live a long, normal, healthy life once it's detected early and treated early.